Inside this box are the latest innovation in skincare. Are you ready to unbox this with me? Hi everyone, this is Kris from the Philippines, and I'm so excited to be back here at Cosmoprof Asia, Hong Kong. So right now I have a very huge box right in front of me. Are you ready to dig in? Shall we see what's inside? Okay, let's start off with the very first item. I'm gonna start with the smallest box up to the biggest one inside, okay? How about this one? This one is from Elaine Perrine. This is the Instant Lifting Cream, and it should work in under 2 minutes? What? Okay, I like products that are very quick when it comes to giving results. But first, let's see. Let's try to open this one up. It comes in a tube like this. And I'm just gonna get a little bit of it. Ooh, that texture. Oh my gosh. That feels so light. The first time I applied it, it feels very hydrating and wet. And as I was working it on my skin, it turned into powder. So I don't know what's in it. I don't know what technology it has, but oh my gosh, this better be inside my kit. Or I think I can finish like 10 tubes of this product. Thank you so much, Elaine Perrine, for introducing us to this very innovative product. Let's go to the next one. The next one is from Naturalis. This is the Regenerative Beauty Microbiota Vitality Cream. Okay, so it comes in a pump packaging like this, very airtight. And let's see how this feels on my skin. Ooh, that smells really clean. Now this one is different. This one is it feels very dewy, and it is, wow, my skin is drinking this up. Ooh. Now I'm kind of confused whether I should have this as my top one or this as my top one, but let's see. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, how about this one? This one is from Korea. Ooh, this better be good, because we all know that sometimes Korea has a funny way of coming up with different skincare trends. But before I talk about K-beauty, let's look at the packaging. Look at this. It's a piece of art. It looks like an egg. This one, the top part, and it also comes in this glass bottle with a pump. And I think I'm running out of real estate here. Maybe I can try it on my arm. Ooh, that runny, liquidy texture. Ooh, oh my gosh. And this smells like a clean hotel room. Does that make sense? Or fresh laundry, perhaps. Oh, what's in it? It has different peptides, niacinamide, which is a very trendy skincare ingredient, and glutathione. Wow, that's really nice. I like this one. Okay, now let's go to the next item. This one is the B10 Cell Sum Nano Capsule Premium BioCell Eye Sheet. Why do you have to come up with such long names, okay? I don't understand why. But I love that on the box, there's an illustration on how to use the product, which makes it easy for me and also for other people who is quite new to the skincare game. So this comes in this plastic jar, and let's try to open this up. Wow, there's a separation between the actual product and the applicator, which makes it sanitary. And I just want to point out how this part right here is keeping all the essence in the jar. Is this leak proof? Let's see. Let's test it out. Oh, it's leak proof. Okay, let's open this one up. Wow. Do you guys see how much essence is inside? Ooh, I want to put this directly on my face. Okay. There's another piece of plastic here. Oh, okay. That is just to keep all the mask intact. But let's try to get one. Ooh. Okay, it's quite thick, and there's like a thin film of, what is this? Gauze? Can I use both of them? Is it like a 2-in-1? I love that. I love how it feels, and I can't wait to try this on my face. Actually, my under eyes is very dry right now, and it needs a boost of hydration, and this will be the perfect product for that. Okay, let me just put this aside, put back the lid and everything else. Okay, and now I'm just going to get all of that extra goodness and apply it and slather this on my hand like that. Wow! Woo! I love how my hands look right now. It's like it's aging backwards. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is from Laguna Beauty. It's a premium collagen mask for the cheek. How different is it from the other mask that I just tried? Okay, it comes in a box and it's a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try to open one up. And it's very easy to tear and to open. Oh, this is not wet? What do you mean it's not wet? Does it have an adhesive on this side? I think I have to spray a little bit of water and it's gonna dissolve on my face. Ooh, this side of my hand is still a little bit wet from the essence. And look at this. Ooh, can I add a little bit of this product over and apply it on top? Wow, that is disappearing like magic. I love how skincare products does that. I love how brands come up with, like different ways to apply such goodness on our skin. And I like that. I think you have to apply it near the, what do you call this part? The nasolabial fold right here. Ooh, this has to be like a weekly treat for the skin. I love this. Now let's move on to the next one. Did you guys know that the most affordable way to keep your skin from looking to looking whoa is to apply sunscreen? And I'm having a hard time opening up the box. Okay, there we go. By the way, this is from the brand AMT Skincare. This is perfect for those ladies who have very sensitive skin, who doesn't want fragrance in their skincare, because this is already fragrance and alcohol free. Okay, it looks like this. Oh, I love how convenient the size is. I could put this inside my purse, or it's not going to be very, distracting in my vanity. But this has SPF 50 plus, and let me just try to shake. Ooh, it's a very watery. Can you hear that? There's a shaker, like a metal ball inside. And let's try to apply. Ooh. Now this doesn't feel like a regular sunscreen. This feels like, what do you call those? Like creamy toners that I used to love when I was in Korea, but my skin got a little bit oily from that. But let's see if this is gonna bring some radiance to the skin. I may fall in love back to these types of products, but I like that glow. Look at that glow. It catches the light perfectly. Ooh, I love that. My skin on this side is very dewy, radiant, and very delicious. Okay, now we're down to the last two items inside the box, but let me just clear out some of the items that I unboxed quite a while ago, because I don't want to be messy, but I want to try the next one. This is the Altea Organic Skincare. Is this a skincare? Oh, no. This is actually a supplement to enhance your skin. This is, let's see, collagen capsules, perhaps? Let's open this. Ooh, it's a big jar of collagen supplements. It has marine hydrolyzed collagen. And what else? This will actually help to improve your skin's elasticity, the firmness, and it will promote strong hair. I need longer hair, ladies and gentlemen, and strong nails. Oh my gosh. And this will also be very beneficial to promote lean muscle and to improve metabolism. And this will be part of my favorite list from these items. And the last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, this is the collagenina. I hope I'm saying it right. And this feels very, very luxe. Look at that gold box. Very luxe. What's in it? Ooh. The packaging alone looks like a Christmas gift. And this is from Labo Cas... Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't want to butcher the name. Okay, Labo Cosmoprof. Am I saying that right? I hope I'm saying that right. Okay, let's try to open this up. This looks like jewelry, but for your skin. Okay, so we have here some important information about the items. Ooh, I can play with these. Look at that. We have here a spatula, an applicator. I think this is gonna be a very luxe treatment for your skin. And I'm no dermatologist. I'm just a beauty junkie. But I actually like the idea that I get to play like I'm a doctor, because there are like different bottles in here and there's a syringe. Oh, can I open it? Okay, let's try to open up the bottle and let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay. This is like vaccine for your face. And you just open it up like that. It's very creamy, but instead of a regular dropper, you get a syringe. Let's see. Ooh. Wow, that texture. Very, very light. I love it when skincare products feels light and very refreshing on the skin. And the smell, immediately I can smell it, but it's not very offensive and it's not strong. It's just very, very clean, very high-end smelling. Okay, I love that. Now there's another syringe that I can try maybe on this other bottle. Okay, this one, we can open this one up. And let's see what's in it. Okay, let me just put this one away. And, oh, this one is a little bit more watery compared to the first one. Maybe this is the first step. And then the last step is the creamier one. Ooh, I kind of like that. It's like gold syrup for your skin. Ooh, nice. And this one is like a mask. Am I right? Is it a mask? It is. It's like jello inside. You grab your spoon or your applicator. Okay, that's way too little. And okay, apply it on the skin. Work it on the skin like that. Ooh, and you can just sleep, and when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna look glowy and fresh. Now, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for stopping by, and also thank you so much for joining us in this Unbox the Beauty challenge here at Cosmoprof Asia, Hong Kong. Thank you for watching. Bye!